Hello, I will review Big Ass Fan's Haiku L Smart Ceiling Fan, 52 inches, black. About item: hand-balanced hybrid resin airfoils in classic black, white, cocoa or caramel wrap finishes. Seamlessly integrated LED kit with 16 dimmable settings. Handheld remote with wall mount. Optional 0 to 10 volts and wired wall controls. Permanent magnet motor for whisper quiet, energy-efficient airflow. 7-speed settings with sleep, whoosh, timer, and fan eco modes. Wi-Fi module for mobile app and voice control integrations. Thanks for watching. Get details, best price and discount for this product by link in description.